So the first thing we're going to do is do a little review of how you should be sitting. Regardless of what type of harp you have, you should, number 1, have your feet firmly on the ground. Number 2, you should have your knees and your feet at a 90-degree angle, so they're like this. You should have your bum on the edge of the chair, and you should have your back nice and straight. Not like totally ridiculously strict, but like just nice and relaxed, okay? The next thing is you should have the harp around your ear, okay? So it shouldn't be up here and it shouldn't be down there. It should be around your ear. And then we're going to talk about some finer gross motor now. So it's really important to have your elbow in the correct position when you're playing the harp. So it shouldn't be up like this. It shouldn't be stuck to your side. It should be approximately halfway between those two angles, okay? So a 45-degree angle from your side is where your elbow should be. So the next important thing about playing the harp is the angle of your wrist. It shouldn't be flat, parallel to the floor. It shouldn't be straight up or vertical or perpendicular to the floor. It should be kind of 3/4 of the way towards vertical. So it's kind of like a microcosm of the elbow. It's around 45 degrees to the floor. So just think not flat, not vertical, slightly in between. So the next thing we're going to discuss is how to use your fingers when you play the harp. So I have a fun tip. I want you to get a marker, and I want you to get your hand, and I want you to draw a smiley face, okay? And now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to stretch your second, third and fourth and little finger down as far towards the smile as you can, covering the eyes, okay? So just do that a few times. I call it the peekaboo game. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. And just play that with me for like 30 seconds. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Go as fast as you can. You'll notice it makes a little sound. That can be called the thwack sound. Very sophisticated terminology. And what you want to do is have your hand as nice and relaxed as possible and have the fingers coming in like this. Now what you don't want is to have them in like that. Okay? You need to make sure that the fingers are straight from this knuckle downward. Okay? So like that, play peekaboo for 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Intiger fad. You've just figured out how to use your 2, 3 and 4. Mahoo!